Hey there, I'm Nia, and I'm so glad you could join me. Let's learn about the NuvoAir Home app together. Ready? Welcome to the NuvoAir Home app. Since you are here, that means you were able to get the registration link from your care coordinator, register, and download the NuvoAir Home app from your app store. By the way, if you didn't get a link yet, please reach out to your care coordinator or call the main number. Someone will be sure to help you. Let's get started, shall we? Go ahead and press sign in. No need to create an account or get a provider code. You already generated everything through the link from your care coordinator. Excellent job. Great. Go ahead and enter your email address you used during registration. Create a secure and case-sensitive password that you can remember. Want a helpful tip? I always write my password down and keep it in a secure place just in case I forget what it was. We all have a ton to remember these days, don't we? If you do forget your password, select Forgot on this screen. It will prompt you from there to reset and create a new password. The app is going to ask you for permission to turn on your GPS or location. This is necessary in order for the app to work properly. If you are doing this with me, press pause so you can do that, and I will be right here when you come back. Looks like you are making progress. Awesome! Next, the app is going to need you to enable your device's Bluetooth. I always select while using the app, but you can choose that or only this time. Whatever is best for you. Bluetooth connects your spirometer to your phone. We can pause here for a second if you need to. I will be ready to move forward when you are.
Woohoo! You made it! I knew you could do it. You are officially on the homepage of your NuvoAir Home app. Stay with us. Chris is going to take it from here.
Hi there, I'm Chris, and I will show you around the NuvoAir Home app. It is really fun, and the best part is that if you need to come back and watch this later, I will be here to go back over it with you. First, let's look at the selections at the bottom of the screen. We have Home, that's where we are now, Dashboard, History, More. And in the middle, we have a blue circle with a plus sign on it. I love that key. It's the shortcut to all of your tasks. Let's review the home screen. If you scroll down, you will see all of the tasks that you can do for the day. Once you get to the bottom of the home screen, you will see where you can update your personal goals. They can be goals related to your health journey, such as use my CPAP for 6 to 8 hours a night, or anything you think of. Supporting your goals is our top priority. Those goals will be shared with your care coordinator, and you all can discuss those during your visits. You can update them as often as they change. Also, at the top, you see that little chat circle? You can send a text message to your care coordinator. You can ask them questions or send them a hello. Ready to check out the dashboard? Think of the dashboard as a way to visualize the last week to 6 months of testing. As you scroll down, you will begin to see test results, session grades, some questionnaire results, your air quality, and other values. Now that we are in the history part of the app, it will hold, well, all the history. Scroll on through there. You will see past spirometry tests, recorded weights, oxygen checks, questionnaires, and everything you have done. When you touch spirometry, it will even open up and show you the values from that test. Please do me one favor. Never delete the tests. Even if you mess up, it's okay. The team that reviews them has a keen eye and can remove any hiccups that happen. Ooh, my favorite shortcut. I pressed the blue button with the white plus sign. Here, you can access all of the tests, questionnaires, and the manual data. I selected the COPD assessment test to give you a feel for it. Select the number which best fits your symptoms for the day, and press Next in the lower right-hand corner. Press Done when you're finished. You can check it in your history. Sometimes it needs a moment to load, but don't worry, it'll be there shortly. Next up is Keisha. She will close us out.
Hey there, I'm Keisha. Need a reminder? Under the last tab on the right called More, click My Reminders. Pretty neat, huh? Next is spirometry test type. Go ahead and touch Exhale. Under Settings, choose Spirometry Settings. Have your spirometer close by with the batteries already loaded. Time to pair the device to the spirometer. Choose a spirometer, and at the top, it now shows Connected with a battery percentage. Before you go, please go back to More and update your profile. You can add your medications here as a one-stop shop for all of your medications, but please remember to update them when you stop or start new medications. The most important areas to fill in are height, date of birth, sex, and ethnicity. Look at you. You are ready to start your spirometry testing. I look forward to seeing your tests and receiving your questionnaires. Thank you so much for spending some time with us. It was fun getting to know you while you get to learn the app. Some general things to remember is to update your device and the app when prompted. That will keep things running smoothly. If you get a new device, just download the NuvoAir Home app on there and it should work seamlessly. Please give us a call or send us a text if we can be of any help. We are just a few of the world-class team of caregivers at NuvoAir. Let your care coordinator know how much you care. Send them a text to let them know you reviewed this video. Aw, I see their smiles from here. Until next time, ta-ta for now.